Good morning, students. Welcome to MGM Educations for Spoken English. Now see here, we are going to read, yes, we are going to read an important questions, that how we can use our English in a very common way. We are not going to be, very rigid in learning these things. Be flexible, yes, be flexible. Now see the board. One lesson, anyone can learn. It's very interesting to learn also and very easy method to learn. Like the doses, the medicine the doctor gives, I teach single lesson to the student per day, and I make the demo and then rehearsal. Now see this. So here you can find lesson today is lesson passing order and request. Order and request, right? So here I have given you some steps. There are the steps and replies. Steps and replies. So step 1, step 2, step 3, everything will go on like this. Then reply 1, 2, 3, response to the questions, right? Response to the questions. Now listen here. One demo I will give you, but before going that, I would like to tell you about the lesson. The lesson is passing order, okay? Now see what happens. In our day-to-day life, we may be of, we may use our mother tongue. Am I right? In odia or in Telugu or Hindi, we say like this. Why not those broken words should be spoken in English? Broken words should be spoken in English. For example, this is the first step to learn English. Important. Yeah. Enjoy it. I used to say my students, in Odia they will say aso, boso, suo, lekho, podo, single words. తెలుగుର ମଧ୍ୟ ପିଲାମାନେ ଅଛନ୍ତି ଲୋକମାନେ କହୁଥିବେ ରାଣ୍ଡି କୁଚଣ୍ଡି ତିନାଣ୍ଡି ଓକେ ଚୁଡ଼ାଣ୍ଡି ଏମିତି କହୁଥିବେ ମୁଁ କହିଲି ସେ ଖଣ୍ଡିଆ ପଦ ଗୁଡ଼ିକ why not use in English? Instead of aso you say come. In Hindi also you say आइए बैठिए खाइए देखिए. These small words first speak in English. Try to speak in English. Get the opportunity, don't misuse the opportunity always. When you get an opportunity, instead of saying, you just develop a habit. I know you know English. You know a few English words. It's not difficult words. Give, take, come, go. Sorry, thank you, good morning, good evening. These words are not difficult. So this is the beginning. So passing order, we have to learn. Steps I have given you, I will say like this. When you are meeting to people, who is first? Okay? Wish, talk, go. 3 steps. Meet, talk, go. Like this also we can say. Meet with wish. When you meet someone else, hello, good morning. He will say, very good morning. Then, how are you? Replies, I am fine, thank you. Then if he is junior, you can pass order. If senior, you must pass the request. Remember this. So language has its limits. For seniors, for juniors, language varies. We say therefore formal English and informal English, both the things. You can say thanks to your friend, but you cannot say thanks to your teacher. You have to say thank you, sir, or thank you very much. This is important. Manner makes man. If there is no manner, you are not a man, although you speak. Coming to the topic now. So step 1, good morning, reply, very good morning. How are you? Reply, I am fine, thank you. Then I will tell my students, ready, do some works. Make request or order. So first is order I used to teach, because there are single words, single verbs you can use. They know some verbs. Even 8th, 9th, 10th class students know some verbs. Come, go, eat, take, give, watch, attend. These are not very difficult. Very common words. We must know this common word. We don't want any bombastic words. We are not going to write any novel or epic. We want to speak English. Let's begin with the beginning lessons. So I said to the students, "Arey, pass some order. Mr. Ramesh, pass some order. Ramesh to Suresh. Oh, yeah, ready." Then he will say, "Stand up. Role play. Do the role play. Go there. Open the door. Close the door. Switch on. Switch off the fan. Write something. Read it. Erase it." Some words I give demo. With demo, they will come as a role play. They will be doing these things. I will be observing. Right? The same thing when I tell them. One senior boy is there. "Please pass the request." Just you will add, "Please come here. Please look at it. Please come here. Attach please. Go there. Please go there. Open the door. Please open the door. Close the door. Please close the door. Switch off the light. Please switch off the light. Add please." It become request. Right? This is the positive order. Giving positive. Now go to the negative. "Mr. Ramesh," negative order. "Don't sit. Don't move. Don't talk. Don't sit here. Don't open the door." Agar do not. Just in front of it, put do not. It becomes negative. Do not. In order. Please do. Please do not. In request. If any boy is senior to you, you are passing him some request, you will say, "Please come, please go, please attend, please ask, please tell." If you are going to refuse, "Please don't sit here, please don't ask me anything, please don't make noise." That's all. Do's and do nots of daily life can be learned in single day. But remember, you must have a treasury of verbs. So this is differing from primary level course students of spoken English, intermediate level of course of students, and degree level students. For degree level students, I give some situation. At railway station, use some request and order. At the hospital, use some request and order. At a dispensary, use some order and request. Situations I give. For 10th class students or primary level, intermediate level, just I make a gradation. Accordingly, I teach the students. Or at the office, if they are professional. At a public meeting or a conference, I will give such situations for the professionals. But for students, I teach the minimum things. That's the beginning. And it helps a lot to them. And I have made people speaking English. Students speaking English. Successful. Successful. Yes. Thank you very much. Those students who watched this video today, just make an opportunity to use words. Only words to pass order, request, positive, negative. Both the versions you have to use. Thank you very much. I hope this is helpful to you. I hope this is helpful to you. Thank you for watching, and try to pass it to the students. So both parents, students, citizens have the responsibility. We call it social responsibilities, allowing them others to, learn something. Learning English is how important. I have just made another video. I am posting that faster than this. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.